Evergreen Research Team, and we're making a solar thermal water heater. I'm Gianna. I'm Hope.
I'm Kelsey. And I'm Brianna. Like we said, we're making a solar thermal water heater. What we did first was we had to make a backing or a frame. We did this by putting pieces of wood around the edges. Next, to maximize attention from the sun, we put aluminum foil on the bottom, like so. And then we had to have something for the water to go through, so we took refrigerator coils from the back of a refrigerator, and we put that on top of that. Then we had a recycled window, that we're putting on the top of it. The glass should keep the hot air in, kind of like a greenhouse.
Before we put the refrigerator coils down, we had to make a hole, that way the coil could come out.
Then what we did was we had some tubing, air tube, and what we're going to do is we're going to take this, half of it, we're going to cut it in half, and we're going to have half of it attached on this side for water that's coming in, and then on the other side we're going to have a piece for water that's coming out. The water going in is going to be cool, and hopefully if it works, the water coming out is going to be hot. Yeah.
By the way, all these products have been recycled. So
Except for the air tube.
Yes.
We had to buy that. But everything else,
which was 25 cents a foot.
Yes.
This is actually a window from an old house.
Recycled,
So we just kept the frame on and the glass. The refrigerator coils we found in a dump, and the wood that we used to make the bottom of the frame is all recycled.
And it's all usable. Yep. Sorry. So Kelsey, the tubing that we bought didn't exactly fit, so we're reusing some
Water level piping that I happen to have in my garage.
Yes. So now
We can return the smaller and use the bigger tubes.
exactly.
What we did, if you want to get a closer picture,
Yeah.
closer,
Zoom.
okay. We attached the end of this pipe to the beginning of the refrigerator coiling. This way, the water can come through this side, through the nice little hole that we made, work its way through the coil, and then come out on the other side, which is going to be coming out through this. Okay, these are the holes that we made so the piping could come in and out.
To have some nice finished edges, so we added some duct tape.
Okay.
Adding duct tape.
Well, make that Mr. Longier.
Helping us add the duct tape.
Yes, helping us.
Well,
You gotta go underneath it.
that's
Yes. So,
This is us trying to duct tape.
yes.
It's amazing we've gotten this far.
I know.
But it also helps.
So we have to hold it up so he can get underneath it.
This not only makes it look neater, but makes the seals a little bit tighter.
What seals?
As you probably heard before, we did the clean edges with the tape with Mr. Laudier's help. This will also help the holes so the holes aren't so open, not only making it look nicer.
Right now what we're doing is
Kelsey, you have to look that up.
right now we're securing the
Oh, you looked
refrigerator
it up?
coils to the
Okay, now you
frame.
have to get it.
With the help of Mr. Laudier.
Yeah. Not as easy as it looks, people.
No, but you get it? As you can see, the sun is starting to set, and if we want to test this out, we better hurry up.
What we're doing first is we're drilling the holes, and after we drill them, then we put the screw in.
Yes.
We're using longer ones so it goes through both.
Taking off the wire coil, and so it's shorter and we can fit the pipe on better.
Very good.
The little part of our refrigerator coil went from looking pretty long to
About like that.
a little bit shorter.
Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the other
Other
piece of our air pipe here and try to get it on as easily as we can.
Yes.
Connected, we have to cut it in half the way the cold water will go in and then hopefully come out as hot water.
Okay, so cutting it. Ta-da! Okay, you do have to be careful though if you're interested in making this at home. On the internet, I found several other people who did make this. On a sunny day, the water can be 100 degrees Fahrenheit or over, so you do have to be careful.
Thank you.
We only have probably about 45 more minutes of sunlight left. So we're going to try to test it now to see what happens. But we highly doubt anything is going to happen.
But on a normal sunny day, when it's warmer, this experiment might actually happen. For the other ride that we were trying with the funnel, it looked like it was working good, but it really wasn't.
Nope.
Yeah, except today. So,
Okay, it's touching our coil.
now we're trying to use a water bottle that
It's coming
squeezes.
out the other end. So
It's working out! It's working!
working!
Woo! Kelsey's being fun!
Yay.
Kelsey's just squeezing it through.
Obviously, it's not going to be very warm with the little sunlight that we have
But-
left.
And it's cold.
We proved that it does work, though.
But shortening the tubing was a very good idea.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's traveling much better into the system.
Because if you want your water fast, this is the way to do it. So Kelsey's just going to continue
And if
pouring.
you could see this right now, it's actually coming out. Well, let Kelsey add a little bit more water first. Wait, you can't hold it so high.
Yeah, you can't hold it.
Yeah, gravity won't work.
But trust us, it's working. Really heat up when it absorbs the sunlight. Now Kelsey's using the sucking technique
See,
again.
water's coming out.
There you can see. So we proved that our experiment now works.
This just goes to show you what a few people, some hard work, a couple materials, and environmental passion can do. Cheers to environmental achievement.
Cheers!